Our industrial-grade hydraulic bath bomb press is engineered to streamline your production, delivering 6 perfectly compacted square bath fizzies per cycle with exceptional consistency. By utilizing advanced hydraulic pressure, the machine ensures each salt block achieves a professional-grade density and a sharp, clean finish that manual presses simply cannot replicate. To suit your specific brand identity, we offer fully customizable mold dimensions, allowing you to tailor the size and weight of your square blocks to meet diverse market demands and packaging requirements.